Unlike what many people think, hair transplant is a surgical procedure. Hair from the back of the scalp is taken and separated into individual grafts and transplanted into the recipient area.
Every time I've heard about hair transplant or seen an ad that shows a before-after example, I haven't thought of it as great technology. 1 year later, as I'm talking to you, I'm able to see myself in the mirror, and I'm saying I'm probably somewhere wrong.
For a candidate to be chosen for hair transplant, first, hair fall should be brought under control. Hair is transplanted into areas of definite baldness and not into areas of thinning.
I'm saying I'm probably somewhere wrong. I have started realizing that it's really not about Photoshop. There is great potential in this procedure. And this is the truth. What you're looking at me is the truth.